Hey kiddos. All right, we're on to part 2 of chapter 14, the Comprehension Guide. You're going to be reading pages 14.09 through 14.17 via the ebook link. Again, if you're having any issues logging in, I don't think anybody is, please be sure to reach out to me, okay? Because there is a password and stuff. I think you all know that. All in the Google Classroom assignment with all the details. Just a reminder, make sure you're filling this out in complete sentences. That means you're restating the questions. We'll review that right now before you answer the question. And then this is going to be due on Wednesday, May 20th, right before midnight. Okay, our first section is one country's contribution. It says, name 3 ways residents of Norman County contributed to the war effort. For this particular question, you do not need to write incomplete sentences because you can see I'm just asking you to list here. You can just type your 3 ways. Okay, no complete sentence. The next question, number 2, is from the section titled Trenches and Mustard Gas. It says, what did the chemical weapon mustard gas have on soldiers? These 2 incomplete sentences. The way to do this is get rid of the question, and that is going to be your sentence. So when it says, what effects did the chemical mustard gas have on soldiers? The only question word here at the beginning is what. So I just put the word what. The effects mustard gas had on soldiers was, list out your question, out it a little bit, period. Then talk about another one. 2 complete sentences. Name at least 2 incomplete sentences. All right. The next section is called The War Ends. So number 3 says, what side was victorious? Victorious means they won in War 1. You do not need to sense. You're going to type right here. Do you remember what sides are? Allies or Central Powers? Remember, you tell those in part 1. So if you need a memory jog, you can either check your book or you can look at your comprehension guide. Should help you out. Okay. Number 4, what did Minnesotans and other Americans think about the war after it was over? Write at least one thought or belief people had about how the world would be different after World War I. So in a complete sentence, our question is, what did Minnesotans and other Americans think about the war after it was over? The 2 question words are right here, right at the beginning. What and did. So you could start our sentence, Minnesotans and other Americans thought war was, and your answer. That's it. Super simple. Okay. Just a reminder that if you're watching this before 10 a.m. on Tuesday, jump on the Zoom call at 10 a.m. because we do the assignment together. It works great. We read together, we do the assignment together, and then you get credit. So that's something you should start doing. 10 a.m. on every social studies day, except for when we have a test, of course. Okay, if you have any questions, send me an email or comment on the Google Classroom. All right, have a good day, guys. So, 20 minutes. Oh,